The Reef Restoration Foundation is establishing a series of coral nurseries to regenerate damaged sections of the Great Barrier Reef. We have these corals that grow on these underwater Christmas trees. Very similar process. When you take cuttings from plants in your own backyard to create new plants, it's exactly the same process to create thousands of new corals.
It's just amazing. You just have to put your head under that water and you're in a different world. There's something you can do to help. That gets me out of bed.
The NAB grant has helped us accelerate what we're doing so that we can actually start making an impact on the scale of the challenge going forward.
The Reef Restoration Foundation is leading the way, and wonderful things are going to happen.
What we're seeing is progress. The energy that comes from that really just kind of fuels your optimism that we are going to make a difference.
Working with the people who make a better Australia. NAB, more than money.